Hi, I'm Kyle. I'm a Platonic Cuddle Party Workshop facilitator in training. Oh, that's a long title. In Philadelphia. And I have the pleasure of being here today with Liz. Liz just like literally a half an hour ago attended your first Cuddle Party Workshop. And thank you so much for sharing. And yeah, I'd love to hear about some things that you were understandably nervous about, or maybe just felt uncertain about before you attended, and then how your actual experience was.
Okay. One of the things I was most nervous about, just being a woman nowadays, I wasn't sure with these being open to anyone what the guys attending might be like. I've been in many situations where things are supposed to be platonic, but it's always questionable. Everyone seems to be edging for more. So I was kind of nervous as to what the boundaries would be. And it was very clear what the boundaries were with the, you must agree, say yes to anything you are okay with, and clearly say no to anything you're not. And it was made extremely clear over and over again that this is a platonic space. And I, by the end, was very comfortable. I ended up cuddling with another woman, but I think I would have been comfortable cuddling with some of the guys that were here. I just was more comfortable in that situation.
Yeah,